Everyone's heard it by now. AI diagnoses diseases better than doctors. Faster, smarter, never tired. But is that actually true, or just another headline built on hype? Let's dig into the real evidence. This question is being asked in hospitals worldwide. Time is running out to find the answer. Let's pull back the curtain. This idea isn't brand new. Computers have helped doctors since the 1960s. But the myth exploded around 2016, when a Google algorithm beat human eyes at reading medical images. Headlines went wild almost overnight. Researchers presented stunning accuracy numbers on stage. Social media grabbed the story and ran with it. One viral clip became proof AI replaces doctors. It was actually about detecting skin cancer from photos, or scanning eyes for diabetic damage. Journalists simplified it into one bold claim, and the myth was born. It started decades before AI became a buzzword. Early expert systems tried to mimic doctor logic. Then came machine learning, a whole new game. Even experienced radiologists were caught off guard. People started diagnosing themselves at 2 a.m. Influencers turned it into content. The myth kept growing, one headline at a time, and eventually it became common knowledge. Here's why people believe it. Doctors get tired. AI doesn't. It can work all night without a single mistake from fatigue. It can scan thousands of images in seconds. In breast cancer screening, some AI models match specialist accuracy. In certain narrow tests, it even won. Some studies showed error rates dropping when AI assisted. In skin cancer detection, one AI model matched top dermatologists. AI can bring expert-level screening to places with no specialists at all. A tiny device in a rural clinic can now flag warning signs. In some hospitals, doctors and AI already work side by side. AI screens millions of eye scans for diabetic blindness every year. It works at a speed no human team can match. It can process an entire waiting room scans before lunch. It learns patterns from millions of past cases, more medical data than any single doctor could read in a lifetime. It can spot patterns in cells too subtle for the human eye. Several AI systems are now officially approved for real clinical use. Hospitals are quietly integrating these tools right now. For narrow, specific tasks, the results are genuinely impressive. In some studies, AI and specialists caught the exact same tumors. Some systems can predict a cardiac event before it happens. It can catch irregular heartbeats invisible to the naked eye. Portable AI scanners now reach places doctors rarely visit. In colonoscopies, AI has helped detect more polyps. Surgeons now use AI-guided overlays during operations. It stays calm and focused even in chaotic emergency rooms. It's freeing up doctors from soul-crushing paperwork. In stroke detection, speed can mean saving a life. In genetics, it spots rare hereditary markers fast. Unlike humans, it never has an off day. It's caught early-stage tumors, nearly invisible to tired eyes. In narrow, well-defined tasks, the evidence is real. But here's where it gets complicated. AI is only brilliant inside the lab. Real hospitals are messier than any clean dataset. Blurry images, weird angles, unusual cases confuse it fast. Most training data comes from limited, non-diverse populations, which means it can misdiagnose people it wasn't trained on. Many AI models are a black box. Even their own creators can't fully explain their decisions. A screen can't hold a scared patient's hand. AI can be confidently, dangerously wrong. And when it fails, who's legally responsible? Medical data is also a massive target for hackers. Real symptoms rarely fit into clean, tidy patterns. Rare diseases are exactly where AI struggles most. Installing these systems is expensive and technically brutal. Many patients, especially older ones, don't trust a screen with their health. Most hospitals simply can't afford advanced AI tools. AI still needs a human ready to catch its mistakes. Every serious system still requires a doctor's final sign-off. Give it a messy, overlapping case, and it struggles. Studies show some tools perform worse on darker skin tones. Many models are trained on narrow, single hospital data. It often can't explain why it made a decision. It has, in documented cases, pointed at the wrong location entirely. Rare, unusual combinations can overwhelm the system. Insurance algorithms have denied real claims with little explanation. Sometimes two different AI tools produce two different answers. In a real emergency, hesitation isn't an option. Advanced AI tools are often locked behind a high price tag. AI medical decisions have already been challenged in court. One small dataset flaw can multiply into thousands of wrong outputs. Confidence is not the same thing as correctness. Error reports are a real growing part of this story too. So what's the real verdict? Myth or reality? The truth sits right in the middle. AI genuinely outperforms humans, but only in narrow, specific tasks. Think of it as a highly specialized tool, not a replacement doctor. It's reality, with a major asterisk. The best results happen when AI and doctors work together, not AI versus doctors, AI plus doctors. Think co-pilot, not pilot. That partnership is already changing medicine today. AI wins clearly, but only in narrow, specific tasks. The final call still belongs to a human doctor. The real breakthrough isn't AI alone, it's the partnership. Hospitals of the future will likely run on both. Together, they outperform either one alone. Here's the twist nobody talks about. In some studies, doctors using AI assistants made new kinds of errors. In competitive tests, some AI models embarrassed entire teams of specialists, sometimes trusting the machine a little too much. But the AI itself never asked for the credit. In the near future, AI health checks might live right in your home. The future of medicine may be part silicon, part human. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's already rolling out. AI has made mistakes so simple they're almost funny. And more than once, a human doctor had to correct it. Some AI already lives quietly on your wrist, watching your health. Smart mirrors are being tested to catch early warning signs. The line between human medicine and machine medicine is blurring. In some cities, drones already deliver scans between hospitals. Each generation of this technology gets noticeably better. Every good question deserves a little curiosity. So, what's your take on all this? So, what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Myth or reality? Let us know below. If this helped clear things up, consider subscribing. Until next mystery, stay curious. Another mystery investigated and closed. Medicine and machines working side by side. See you in the next investigation.